Hi, my name is Pauline Johnson. I'm the corporate trainer at Standard Office Systems. Today I'd like to show you how easy it is to replace your staples on a sharp copier. Replacing your stapler cartridge is quite simple. Open the finisher door, locate your stapler door, pull outward, and then grab a hold of the stapler cartridge. This is the empty cartridge. We're going to remove the empty casing by pressing upward on both directional arrows. Grab a hold of a new set of staples, push downward, and then seat by hearing the click. Once that's in place, merely reinsert in the same cavity, close the stapler door, and close the finisher door. You have just successfully replaced your stapler cartridge. Well, thank you for watching our video. If you found the information useful, please hit subscribe. And remember, regardless of your office technology needs, SOS can help.